kayaking, swimming, canoeing, enjoying the beach. It all happens at Big River Beach in Mendocino, California. If you're in downtown Mendocino and want to get to Big River Beach by car, here's the route. From downtown, head east on Little Lake Road. Drive until you reach Highway 1, then turn right. Stay on Highway 1 as it narrows to one lane. As you approach the Big River Bridge, look to the right. You'll see the Big River Beach access sign on the right. And it tells you to turn left. Make that left turn, then follow the road down the hill. It takes you straight to the parking area, the river, the sandbar, and all the big river fun. Kayaking, swimming, canoeing, and enjoying the beach. Drive slowly, the road narrows and there's lots of divots. It's a bouncy ride. You will notice there are a lot of signs. Signs, everywhere signs. Up ahead, we'll go to the right, and that will take us to the main parking area for Big River and Big River Beach. From here, you can walk straight across the sand to the riverbank, or head west to the beach. When the tide is high, the river cuts off the easy sand route, so you need to take the trail up from the parking lot to reach the beach. At low tide, you can follow the riverbank under the bridge and walk all the way out to the beach without climbing anything, just a simple flat shoreline walk. I will explore the riverbank and the beach in the next video. I might even have a beverage at Big River. Now we continue on the dirt road to the east. There are several places to stop and park and walk straight across to the beach. It's a good idea to take the time to read the sign. There are almost as many things that you can't do as there are things that you can do. As I said, there is plenty of space for parking. Surprisingly, on busy weekends, sometimes it's tough to find a spot, though. I keep going and end up at the launching area. You can drive right up to the water's edge. Watch that you don't get stuck in the mud, but you can drop off your paddleboard, canoe, or kayak, then clear the area for the next person. It's a small space. The parking is just down from the ramp. After leaving the launch area, I turn right and follow the dirt road a short distance. I head up the road to the parking area for the Big River Haul Road Trail. This is a good stop. The parking is easy and there are nice restrooms here. It's the main access point for the Haul Road, the river, and the long walk inland if you want to explore more of Big River. I'm going to head back to the beach parking now. A few words of advice for anyone coming out here. The water is cold, even in the summer, so a wetsuit is strongly advised if you're planning to swim, paddle, or spend time in the river. The tidal flow can be strong, especially when the tide is pushing in, and coming back downriver in the afternoon can be challenging because you're paddling against the wind. It's one of those Mendocino things. Come in the morning, and then that steady west wind kicks up and makes the return trip a workout. So enjoy your time in Mendocino and on the Big River. If you like my video and you aren't subscribing already, you can click on my picture at the end and subscribe for free. To my current subscribers, I really appreciate you. See you next time.